Hi, this is the VIVO V29 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings app and then tap here to the lock screen and wallpaper section. Tap to wallpapers, click here to agree, and you'll see here the different static, default wallpaper or the live wallpapers. So also you could use the local images from your device gallery or download it from the internet. Also you could download more and use the online wallpapers. To use the online wallpapers, be sure that you are connected to the internet. Just select the wallpaper, tap to apply and click set to lock screen. Wallpaper applied successfully. So let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully changed it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.